Let's go through an example of using machine learning models to predict the probability of a successful field goal attempt in the WNBA. You can find all the materials for this case study in the Python Machines course from Athletics. So the first step here is to load in all of the modules that we'll be using and load in our data set from WNBA.com/stats via the Pyball module. After we load in our data set, we get some documentation that just tells us what each field is, and you can pause to read this if you'd like. Moving on to feature engineering. First, we draw a WNBA half court and court markers. Then we create features for our shot probability model. So we're categorizing shots into 3 different categories: hook shots, layups, and jump shots. And then we're going to engineer 2 different features: shot distance and angle. Then we're going to print out our model with our features, the 3 different shot types, and a shot made flag. Moving on to model training. And for this example, we're using a decision tree. So again, you can pause to read all of this. It's really good information, but at a high level, we have a decision tree here. And the tree starts by splitting the data into 2 groups based on shot distance. Then the tree splits the data further based on another feature, and it continues this cycle until we get to the final node, which in this case is whether or not a shot was made. The last step is to visualize the predicted probabilities on the WNBA half court. So here's the heat map of shot probability for jump shots based on the decision tree. This case study also shows 2 other model approaches: random forests, and if we scroll down, we also see gradient boosting machines. Leave a comment if you want to see those examples and see more case studies like this one.